Very good. It's from Nana and Papa. There's some more tape. To Ella Van Busker. Is that you? Oh. Granddaughter. Hope happiness happens all day just for you. With laughter and smiles surrounding you too, bringing you joy, and moments of pleasure. Because you have always seemed so dearly treasured. Happy Valentine's Day. Hi Ella, hope you have fun on Valentine's Day. We've been thinking about you and looking forward to the next time we get together. We love you, Nana and Papa. Yay! What did they get you? Do you want to say open? Do you want to open this package? Oh my goodness. Oh, how beautiful. Oh, we love hearts. Oh, bless you. Still getting over that cold. Can you say thank you? Oh, I love it. And look, a little